Well, welcome back to Shane and Jamie's little homestead. I started the pond build, but yeah, it's hot. It's been over 100 and some degrees, and my phone and my stuff keeps overheating, shutting off. So I might have to find me I don't know. I might have to wait till it gets a little cooler and stuff. It's hot out there, even trying to dig what I did. But anyways, I was gonna let you guys see where I started at. Which I might go out there every evening for 20-30 minutes to dig some, because it's real muddy in the bottom. So I got to dig some, let it dry, and then dig some, because I don't want to get the old Kubota stuck. So I'll turn you guys around. Our garden's doing pretty good. But yeah, our onions and stuff starting to grow a little bit. Here's our tomatoes. That one looks like it's going to die. I thought it was doing good. Anyways, our sweet potatoes right here, they're doing really good. And our radishes, they're growing. And our, can't remember if it's a cabbage or broccoli right here. I think it was cabbage, but right there's one. I'll zoom in on. I'm pretty sure that's cabbage. But yeah, they're starting to grow. So there's another one there. I can't remember how far I went up with it. I think I stopped up there by that watermelon. I might be wrong. But yeah, the watermelons are getting huge. They're really good. We've tried some of them already. But after this is done, I'm done gardening for the summer. And the chickens, they're doing really good. We've been turning them out in the mornings or the evenings, letting them get out and get some bugs, pull off. But I'll show you guys the little bantams. Yeah, let me know down in the comments how hot it is where you guys live at. The heat's been anywhere from 100, and then heat X up to 110. It's been miserable. Been hot. But yeah, our little bantams are doing good. Wife's been putting ice water and stuff in their water. Well, like I said, it ain't been much of a video. It's just been too hot here in northeast Oklahoma. By the time you start filming and your camera, your phone shuts off, then you lose half of your time. But I won't stop griping until it turns fall. But yeah, the wife planted her cucumbers right here in their little flower pot. They're starting to vine out a little bit. Hopefully we'll get a cucumber for it frost. I bet we will. But yeah, that's about as much as the video I can make. Like I said, it's just too hot. And we had a pretty rough weekend. I had a close relative pass away Thursday night. So this weekend, I didn't have a chance to get a video out. But, well, I'm going to end it right here. I hope you guys subscribe. Wait till it's fall. I'll do some more recording on that pond. I'm excited to get her done. So if you guys would, please like and subscribe. We'll catch you all on the next one.